Hi guys, I'm going to be hoovering out the bottom of this grate with a Bosch GS50 power silencer 2. This is I think it's a 2 kilowatt. Back. It is. This was bought before the EU dropped everything down to about 600. But, yeah, there you go. It is actually 700. My fault, it is 700. I don't know what was that. It was a Panasonic that was. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to try this out. It has a sensor control, so it adjusts to the what it's on. So I'm going to put it on full, but you can actually adjust this down to different carpet textures, curtains, blah blah blah. So we're going to put it on max, and it's really quite a quiet machine. Right. Hoover all this crap out here, all the nails and stuff like that. There's a big nail there. All these nails here, it's going to half lose them, so it's just leaving the heavy nails. Now it's adjusted itself and it's gone red, so now I'll just knock it off. We'll go back to blue again, sort of finish this off. It's just... I'll probably have to get the nails out later on by hand, but you know, it's pretty good. That one here. Just getting some of the sash up. That's a pretty good job. And goes all in the nooks and crannies really. So we're going to get that back on. Hoover's been a few years old now. I just use it really for hoovering out the car, but I thought I'll have a go at this. It's got a crevice tool, but I've just bung this on for now, just literally as it is. It's gone down to red and then back up, that just resets it. So that's a quick look at that, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.